Okay, folks. We've got a BA 787-8 Dreamliner with the F1 heading to where, Julie? Okay, this one going to Bogotá, folks. And this will be the new service. From 9 p.m. That is cool. New service down to Bogotá, folks. What's that? That's Virgin Atlantic. Here we go. Oh, she's long. Here we go. What a low departure. That is absolutely insane. I thought this was going to kill it. Heading to El Dorado. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's in Colombia. So it's with a Dreamliner, folks, on this one. Wow. That'll be a night service, folks. So, yeah, there she goes. She's on her turn. Brilliant. Got the flight out to Bogotá. Now let's see if we can get out camera.